So hello guys, in today's lecture we will see uh, the electromagnetic transient programs and how simulations are carried out for electromagnetic transients. So what are transients? Now transients in electrical power networks are caused basically due to short circuits or lightning strike or switching of various power electronic equipments and so on. Now, a transient is a sudden change in system states from its equilibrium condition. Now, a transient may also sometimes result in high current or voltage variation in the network. Now, power system may be able to withstand such transient effect without any damage to the network and its component. Now, due to the presence of this vast geographical areas, power systems are usually complex networks and do not lend themselves to the analytical solution of transients. Now, therefore, it is necessary to bring digital computer-based simulation tools which are commonly used to simulate the behavior of these power systems. Now, digital computer-based simulation tools are mainly consist of that load flow study tools, transient stability study tools, and electromagnetic transient simulation tools. Now in this session we will see what are these electromagnetic transient simulation tools. Now this EMTP, which is an acronym or the short form of electromagnetic transient programs. Now it is a software tool which is used by the power system engineers to analyze electromagnetic transients and associated insulation issues. Now, the simulation of power system requires advanced numerical tool capable of calculating the steady state condition and perturbed states with the highest accuracy. Electromagnetic transients are calculated at the certain level, and modeling methods must always attempt to reduce the approximation. Now I am going to read it word to word as there is nothing to explain in this. Now, a complete computation environment includes load flow steady state and initialization to the time domain module. Now, electromagnetic transients is designed to avoid the approximation. Now, why they are designed? Now, electromagnetic transients are designed to avoid the approximation for the widest range of frequencies. Now, the software packages and method used for computing electromagnetic transients are called EMT. It is electromagnetic transient. Now, what is EMT type simulation methods and its types? Now, electromagnetic transient type simulation methods are classified into two categories basically. Now, the first one is offline and the second one is real time. Now, the purpose of offline simulation tool is to conduct a simulation on generic computers. Now, offline tools are designed for high efficiency using powerful graphical user interface, numerical methods and programming techniques. Such tools do not have any computing time constraint and can be made as precise as possible within the available data, module and related mathematics. Now the second type of simulation method is real-time simulation tools which are capable of generating results in synchronism with a real-time clock. Fine. Now such tools are capable of interfacing with the physical device and maintaining the data exchanges within the real-time clock. Now the capability to compute and interface within the real time imposes the important restrictions on the designs of such tools. The computing technologies and the numerical methods are however evolving rapidly, and the gap between this real-time and offline method are constantly reducing. Now, where they are used. Now, this electromagnetic transient simulation tools is most comprehensive approach for transient simulation compared to other approaches. Now, this EMT simulation represents network elements in their greatest detail by modeling the physics of the various electromechanical apparatus, including the functionality of analog and digital control systems or switches and etc. Now, most EMT programs includes a comprehensive library of commonly used power system components. Now, the availability models of may sometimes not represent a specific advanced device. Now, say for example, an advanced control system for a specific power electronic device may not be available in the library in some cases. Now, in this case, a specialized program may be used. As an example, to design a power electronic converter including the precise representation of power semiconductors, including the detailed physics-based behavior of semiconductor, may require a special kind of program. Now, this EMT type methods are also applicable to the simulation and analysis of electromechanical transients. Now, this EMT type programs can produce more precise simulation results for such studies due to inherent modeling capability to account for network non-linearities and unbalanced condition. Now, frequency dependent and voltage dependent load model can also be incorporated. Fine. Now, since this EMT type programs are able to represent the actual circuit of power network, they are more generalized than the traditional power system analysis tool. Now, EMT type methods constitute the precision reference of power system analysis. Now, some of the tools which are available in the market for simulation studies are Microtran Power System Analysis Corporation, which is governed by the University of British Columbia and the version of EMT simulation program. The other one is ATP, which is Alternative Transient Program. The next one is PSCAD, which is very much common, and EMTDC. This is of Manitoba High Voltage Research Center. The next type is RTDS, that is Real-Time Power System Simulation. The another one is EMTP-RV, and there are many more which are available in the market. Now, this is basically presents the steps of conventional EMT simulation and explain the detail of EMT simulation techniques. Now, the initial application of EMT type was the computation of over voltages in the power system. So this is how this EMT type programs works in case of power system applications. Okay, thank you.